Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Python strings. So let's get onto it. So Python strings, you can define a string, let's say hello people of the world. Oh, so okay. So um I changed the text size of my Python shell so that it will be more visible. I noticed that I have a wide screen and then the text was just so small. So you can do that from your options. So configure ideally. So from here, you can change your font. You can change your font size. And please, as standard practice, just leave your Python space at 4. It is standard so that when you're sharing your code with other people, you follow the convention. There are conventions for Python coding. You have PEP 8 and all that. So that's just what I did so that the screen I have, I'm trying to get knowledge across, and then I should use most of the screen. So let me know what you think. Is it better this way, or should go back to the small text size? So now, hey, people of the world. So this is a text. Text is very important in our day. You find out that websites and everything they have text. So in Python, you also want to work with text. You want to do text manipulation and a lot of other things. So by defining a text, you you want to do something with it. So let's say I want to replace this word with something else. You can go on and say a dot replace word with of the universe. So well, what happened now is it replaced it, but I didn't set the value back to that variable. So what I can do is I can say a equals a dot replace world universe. So now when I check, it has changed. So hello people of the universe. Another thing I can do is you find out that when you are doing some work, you might not have the value that you want to print out immediately. So you might come in later. So you might just want a placeholder. So let's say b equals 0. Um, so let's say hello, your name. So then format. So you can see this this format, this placeholder, use it for this. So if I have more than one, said okay, see. Apple, say cabbage. So you can see. So that's the function of this format. You might find use for it in your code where you want to pass in, let's say, a variable. Let's say I already have a variable. Let's say um let's say phone number. Phone equals, let's say, plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Name equals Sam George. Yeah, equals name. So you can see this is an example of the use for this template string format style. So the next thing I want to show you is how to use slicing. So let's bring up our Hello Universe. So you can check the length of the text by saying len a. So you can see len. So that means it has 28 strings, 28 characters. So Python uses zero indexing, which means that it starts from zero. So this, to access this, you actually have to use zero. So that means it starts from zero and goes on till 27. So when you want to access this, you can say 27. That's that, or -1 is still the same. So if you want to take more than one at a time, you can say A0 5, or let's say 6. You can see, so it takes up the space as well. So that is why you have 28. So that's one of the things you can do with this slicing. I'll still go over it more in depth in the list section. So one other thing I want to show you after replace is split. So when you have a list of items, say G equals garden, boy, ball, blade, bold. So I want to split it. You want to get each item. You want to get each item separately. What you can do is use g.split. So you can see it splits it out. So you can have a value in. So this is a list actually, although we've not gotten there, but this is a list. You can see that's a list. So h. So you can access each one separately now. So h0. So let's say it is not by space. Let's say it's not separated by space, but rather separated by comma. So you say j equals let's say this is a list of telephone brands. So, and I want to split it. If I use j.split, it won't work. You see, but what you do is j.split. You can see now that splitted it out. So you can just say k goes j.split. So right there, that splitted it out. You can say k there. And you have your Samsung. So guys, I think I've gotten over. Okay, let me show you one more thing. You can do string concatenation. So what that means is you can add strings together. Say my plus name is so you can see this is what's called string concatenation. It might come in handy when you are working. So guys, thanks for watching this video. You can click on like if you like the video. I will appreciate your comments. Subscribe and click on notification button. See you in the next video, guys.